This is my routine every morning. Ito ang kasama sa aking routine, itong light jogging ito. Kaya always remember, health is wealth, mga lords. Enjoy watching. I encourage you to follow, and I encourage you to do exercise daily para sa ating lahat yan. At health is wealth, lagi niyo tandaan, para malayo tayo sa mga sakit. Napakasarap mag-exercise. Kaya tara, do it. Have a great day, and God bless us all. Thanks for watching.